Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you are watching ENK Learning Hub. Today we will be starting solving the questions from new dataset, that is hospital database. Okay. So uh, if anyone who didn't watch my Northwind dataset, you can go and watch it. There is a playlist in my channel. So let's start today's question. Show first name, last name and gender of patients whose gender is M. So we need to retrieve the patients who are male, simply we can say. Okay. So as usual, select from which table we are extracting the data, that is patients. We can see. So in the patients data set, there were n number of columns. They are patient ID, first name, last name, gender, birth rate, city, provenance ID, allergies, height, and weight. So these are all the columns on which patient's ID is the primary key. So we'll solve it now. So from patient's table, and what do we need to extract? So we need to extract first name, last name, comma, gender, and then they are specifically mentioning that gender of patients, show first name, last name, and gender of patients whose gender is male. So from where gender is equals to M, they are mentioning in this. So let us try running. Yeah, we got the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.